Welcome back to Odom's Homestead down here in Zone 7A, Tennessee. Today, adding some more bananas over here where I got my Carolina Kings. I'm adding my Goldfinger banana. I'm adding that Mekong King that I just got. Those two I just got last week, I believe, or the week before one or two. Yeah, I'm gonna show y'all how I plant my bananas. This little spot right here is where I'm gonna add it. I think I'm gonna put that Mekong King over here, and the Goldfinger right back there. This is more susceptible to get cold damage. I'm gonna put it back here, closer to this brick wall. If I can get it in the ground here. I just put some straw down here because I just cut the leaves back and I wanted to cover the leaves so my earthworms and all the soil life could come up and eat them leaves and they wouldn't blow away. Yeah. So it protect those worms so they'll come on up and devour them leaves. I just want to show y'all what this soil looks like after all the compost, wood chips, straw that's been put down over the years. This soil is lovely, lovely. And we're gonna put that Goldfinger right there. I'm also gonna add a little some black cow since I got it on hand. I'm gonna add some black cow. You know, bananas is heavy feeder, so yeah. And it's plenty over here, but hey, a little bit more nutrients from my bananas. Since I got it on hand, why not? Why not? You know what I always say I believe that bone meal helps with transplant shop. It also promotes root growth and healthy blooms. More blooms, I mean. So, yeah. I'm gonna get that done. Grab this Goldfinger. Just like that, ain't disturbing the root that much at all. Get some of the needle grass up out of the way. Yeah, backfill it. Put the straw back around it. Got something coming up here. Back from last year from the compost. I don't know what that is. I look like cucumbers. Let's see. And then the other one, the Mekong King, we'll put more over here on the outskirts. Because it's supposed to get like 20-something feet tall. Yeah. We'll put it over here. Over the straw back stuff. Get over here. That's where we'll be working. All the black cows on this hole too. Sprinkle me, man, with some of that bone meal. Sprinkle me. I'm gonna take my little Mekong king. Don't look much like the king, do it? The thing's supposed to grow, I think, 20 to 25 foot tall. And cold hardness down to zone 7. Yeah, my zone. But yeah, you know, I had to try it. I had to try it. Which I still protected over the winter by putting straw and wood chips up around it and throwing a tarp over it or around it to keep that straw and stuff, to keep that stalk as tall as it can get. The more that stalk you keep protected over the winter, the better chance you have to get bananas. So the taller that stalk is, the better chance you'll get. So yeah, there's 2 varieties I just put in the ground. I'm also gonna add a fig over here. One of my cuttings from last year. Don't know which. Looks like it's off of that Olympian, but I'm not really for sure because I didn't label it. So I'm gonna put him in about right here. The figs are just like bananas, they're heavy feeders. So oh, sorry about that. I knocked the camera over. Trying to clean up as I go. We'll add some black eye. Give it a good turn over again. Get it down a little deeper. Most of my land is either clay or rock. So, you know what I'm saying? It took a lot of building up my soil to get my soil to look as good as it does now. These bananas and these bananas right here has been in this area. I've been building this soil. I think this is going on the 5th season now. So yeah, the soil has gotten a lot better. So yeah, we're gonna put this little fig right here. You know me, I'm trying to stick groceries for stuff I can eat wherever I can. Yeah. When they say it's harder to my zone, it just gives me more incentive to try to grow it. I'm gonna sprinkle a little bone meal around those guavas and stuff like them up here. This one looking like a little yellow. I think it was transplant shop. I don't think I put enough bone meal around it. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Then I'll water these in. Put some of the good stuff. It don't smell too good, but it's some of the good stuff. Let me show y'all what I'm talking about. I wish this would smell of television, because y'all can smell this. Ooh, me. Ooh, wee. Stinking stuff, boy. But it's good for your plants. And I'm talking about this stuff right here. That's comfort tea. My God, it smells terrible, but it's good for your plants. Let's get some. My God, this stuff smells like death got up and walked a mile. Ooh, my God. What we do for our plants, our babies. Gonna get mother plant. Good dose of that. These, whatever they are. They're a good dose. And my guava's a good dose. Yeah. So that's what we're doing down here, y'all. Planting bananas. Me and the wife been outside about all day long. Having a good day. Out here mowing the yard. Pruning the blackberries back. Pruning the Nat King cherries. Just taking care of stuff. Having a good Sunday. Hope y'all are too. Thank y'all for tuning in once again. Odom's Homestead down here growing zone 7-8. Growing my passion. Y'all stay blessed. Now, before I let y'all go, I'm going to leave y'all with some pictures from around the homestead. St. Thomas. Y'all stay blessed.